Good afternoon, Second Amendment family. Just watched Will's video. Great video. I do like the drop leg, but like he said, it sticks out a little bit too far for me. I will use it. It just doesn't feel right to me. Not that it's good. I mean, I do like it. It's just it makes me uneasy sticking out that far. So I figured I'd give you guys a little demonstration as to what I mean. I got my M18. I'm going to clear it. Clear. Alright, now I took the shell off of my drop leg just to make it easier to show. This is with the belt slide. You can see the gap there. I mean, and get a finger in there. That's how far it sticks off your belt. Now this is the new and improved belt slide Alien Gear came out with about a year ago. You can actually, I can't even get my finger in there. And the slide itself is right up against the shell. Like so. See it there? I just feel more comfortable with the sidearm tight up against me. And there. Right against your belt. Now to make that happen, the new Shapeshift kits come with this slide already. I'm almost positive on that. If not, it's like $6-7. It's not that expensive to get one. I've gotten one for my double mag carriers and everything because I like it so much. Now let me take this off here. There you go. And all you would do is take your slide apart, or your shell apart. You got a hole here and here. Take those screws out, and then you can remove the spline for the quick release. And then, I'll take the other shell apart to show you. Same holes. And it connects right to the belt slide. And there's even, let me get in closer there. There's even 3 holes. So you can choose which of the 3 holes you want to use on the bottom. You can even give it a cant. I got mine canted a slight bit forward. Just want to do a little video there to explain why that I wasn't big on the quick release. I prefer being closer, I do. I also love the cloak, 3.5 cloak. Matter of fact, I just won July's EDC contest from Alien Gear. I have a cloak shoulder, or a cloak chest holster coming. Sorry, I had to think about that for a minute. I'm going to do a review on that when I get it. I also have a 3.5 base pad and shell for my shoulder holster coming for my H&K, so I don't have to so I don't have to keep swapping out shells and re-Loctite and everything. So this way I can just take the base pad off the holster I have on it now, which is set up for the XDM. Take the base pad and shell off, slap the new base pad and shell on. Easy peasy. Don't have to worry about taking the screws out and everything else. I have a holster problem, I do. I need holster rehab. Alright guys, everybody have a great day. If you have any questions on why this shoulder or how to modify that shell to make it fit on the new belt slide, let me know. You guys have a great day.